Hello, everybody. How are we all doing today? Oh man, I've been waiting to shoot this video all week. I'll be honest, we almost shot it a few days ago, but things happened, couldn't do it. So it's Friday today, and for a change, I'm off. So I thought, what a better day to do it than today. So I've done it before, but I want to change it a little bit because the last time I made this pizza, it was good, but it was missing something. And now I know what that is. So what we're going to make today is a barbecue chicken and bacon pizza. Yeah. To me, chicken and bacon are two of the best flavors to go together. Let's face it, no one orders a club sandwich because of the lettuce and tomato. They order it because that smoky bacon, the tender chicken. Well, to me, you throw in a little bit of smoky, little spicy barbecue sauce onto that, and you've got it made. So, you guys have seen me make dough before. You've seen me stretch out dough before. So I've already gone ahead and done all that. I've also already cooked up my chicken. Now, my chicken I've seasoned with some garlic, pepper, garlic salt, a little smoked paprika, keep up that smokiness, and some cayenne, just for a little bit more heat. If you don't go crazy on cayenne, you won't really notice it's there, but it is going to help bring out the flavors a bit more, especially in the barbecue sauce. The bacon we're using, like I said, I'm doing this, I want to eat this pizza now, so I'm kind of rushing and doing a few things I normally wouldn't, but please, if you have the time, cook your own. I've got some of those semi-cooked bacon strips, and I didn't have time to grate my own cheese, so I'm just using some pre-grated cheese. Now, with the chicken, I'm not just going mozzarella, I'm going with a mozzarella and cheddar blend, just because it's a little bit more flavor. Chicken's a bit bland, so oven's ready, so that means let's get ready to assemble. So, I've got my pizza crust. This is the same pizza crust that I always make. I always have some in the fridge. I made this batch while I was at work, and this is the reason I didn't make the pizzas, because I forgot it at work like a moron. But what are you gonna do? For the sauce or the base, I'm just using some barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite one. I like this one. It's a little tangy, a little sweet, a little smoky. Got a little bit of everything going on. Now you want to go fairly light on the sauce. First of all, a lot of them aren't too thick, so you don't want it pouring all over the place. And of course, you don't want that pizza landslide when you take your first bite and all the toppings fall off. That's, to me, the absolute worst thing. And that happens when there's too much sauce. So, just a light coating. That flavor goes a long, long way. So now you can see again just how little we put on. It was maybe 2 tablespoons. Not a lot. Again, we're doing a few changes here. Right on top of the sauce, I'm just going to put a small coating of cheese. First of all, because I love cheese. Second of all, it's going to help everything to bind together. Anything to stop an avalanche. Especially considering I've got a fairly sugary sauce here. And if you get a landslide with this, well, chances are it's going to end up on your chin and you're going to end up with burns. So we don't want that. Now we go for some of this pre-cooked bacon. Like I said, this is something I normally wouldn't use, but I tried it before I started filming, and it wasn't too bad. Wasn't so bad. So get a good one. Don't go for the cheapest thing, because chances are you're going to be disappointed. So I don't know about you, but I adore bacon. So I'm almost putting a whole layer of bacon down on here. You'll see in a second. There, that's good. So there's my sauce, my first layer of cheese, some of that bacon. Now we need, okay, the pan's cooled down enough, our chicken. Now, like I said, just please make sure when you're doing this, you cook your chicken first. You don't want to start putting raw chicken on your pizza. It's not going to be in the oven long enough for it to cook properly. And the last thing I want in the comments is, I had your pizza and I got sick. Well, if you cook your chicken first, you avoid that problem. Again, we're just going to make sure that chicken is everywhere. And it's part of the reason I'm putting the bacon down first is it's already pre-cooked. So we're really just heating this up. Let's face it, if it only takes 30 seconds in the microwave, if I put this right on top, well, 10 minutes in the oven, it'd be charcoal. I like crisp bacon, but I don't like it smoldering. So, once again, this is getting heavy. You can see we have our chicken, our bacon, that first bit of cheese is on there, our gorgeous sauce. Now we need more cheese. Now we need the glue, so to speak, to hold this together. But I already have one layer of cheese. So really, I just need enough to hold everything down. You can put as much as you like. Like I said, normally I don't use pre-grated stuff, but in a bind, you do what you have to do, right? I don't know about where you guys are, but food prices here are skyrocketing. Like, Canada never had the cheapest of prices to start with, but because of fuel and this and that, costs are just, again, going through the roof. So, there we go. Oh, let's pick this up so you can see. We have our dressed pizza. Now, you can change this up however you like. Like I said, use the barbecue sauce that you really like. One that I adore, I just couldn't find any, is the Bullseye Guinness barbecue sauce. To me, beautiful. Also, the Jack Daniel's branded barbecue sauce is really, really good. But they're getting harder and harder to find right now around here. Put whatever cheeses you like on here. Go all mozzarella, go all cheddar, go blend like I did. Use a Mexican blend and throw some Monterey Jack with some jalapenos in there for a little extra kick would be really nice. If you like heat. So this is done. I'm just messing around with it to try and make it look a little bit nicer. But we are done. Our oven already beeped, so we know it's ready. So this is going to go in a 450 degree oven, almost at the top. You want it about 4 or 5 inches from the top of your oven. And this is going to go in, we're going to put it in for 10 minutes and we're going to check it. We want to make sure everything is cooked, the cheese is nice and bubbly, and of course, we want that crust nice and golden brown. So in that goes. our timer is set and ready. So once that comes out, of course, we have to give it a taste. So we will see you all once that's out. Bye for now. Hey everyone. Well, it's been about 10 minutes. Needs a couple of minutes more, but I thought right now I would just take a couple of seconds and remind you that 5 PM Chef does have a merch store. You can get your shirts like this. We have stickers, hoodies, mugs. We have all kinds of great items. All kinds of different designs, some funny stuff, some things that if you're part of our Discord room, you'll know about, little inside jokes. And I get my inspiration for the merch from you guys. We might be having a little conversation and you say something and it clicks. So first of all, if you're not a part of our Discord, come on and join. There's a link in the description. There's also a link for that merch shop. Like I said, there's tons of things. There's all different kinds of styles of t-shirts, hoodies, aprons if you're in the kitchen. You name it, it's there. And like I said, we also have some great fun stickers. So I hope you take a look. I now think that the pizza should be ready. And oh yes. Let me get a cloth here. I'll try and hold this so you can see it hot out of the oven. You can see that smoke, steam, everything. Now this is going to be so hot. I know that. Let me turn the oven off. Got a blast furnace behind me. Got my pizza cutter. So please, if you haven't joined our Discord, if you haven't taken a look at our merch, feel free. It costs nothing. Just like subscribing to the channel. It costs absolutely nothing. Just hit the button. You'll see when I do more pizzas like this. Ooh, that is so hot. When we do our food tastings, we do food tastings from around the world. We've done Japan, Poland, we did Russia. Where else have we done? So many. Did Israel. Okay. There is so many toppings on here. I should have let it rest a little bit, but you can see the steam coming off. So those of you who have watched videos in the past know what's coming up. Woo! Yep. Didn't even get to my mouth before I burned myself that time. So, whoop. Toppings fell. Wish me luck. You're never going to get a pizza from Domino's this hot. Right out of the oven. You can see we've got that nice thin crust. We've got that nice chewable edge. You know when something is so hot, you know it's going to hurt. You know it's going to burn. You've already taken a bite and already burned yourself. But you don't care, you still go back for more? Me. Right off the bat, the sweetness and the smokiness from the barbecue. Then you get that hit of bacon. Wow. The chicken is super tender, and it's got enough of its own flavor because we, like I said, we added the smoked paprika, the garlic, the onion salt, the salt and pepper, that it has enough flavor to stand up on its own. But you mix that with everything else. Wow. And that little saltiness from the cheese does a really, really nice job. The crust has, like I say, that nice little ring. Honestly, so good. It's worth the second-degree burns in my mouth right now. Give this a go. Try it however you like it. Use your favorite sauce. Spice up that chicken however you like. Go for a buffalo style chicken. Marinate it in a little Durkee's Red Hot. Oh, the bacon on there, perfect. Like I said, I use that quick ready stuff. It's alright. I would have preferred thick cut bacon, but I get the flavor. Use your favorite cheeses on here. Go all mozzarella, go all cheddar, throw some provolone, some Swiss, whatever you like. It's going to go great. Just give it a try. You saw how simple it was to make. Sometimes it's just letting your imagination go, playing with flavors you already know go really well together, but moving them somewhere they normally don't go. So, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Please, like I said, if you're not a member, hit that button. It's free. It's easy to do. And show YouTube that you like the videos I'm making. There's over 100 of them, so you're going to find something you like. If you're coming back, well, thank you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Is this your kind of pizza? Would you try this pizza? What would you do different? Or what type of sauce would you use? Let me know. Maybe I'll try it. So until next time, thank you ever so much for stopping by my kitchen. I am going to go devour this pizza. And we will see you all again really, really soon. Bye for now.